Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix a VirtualBox problem. So because today when I try to start my VirtualBox and then I received some error, and the error was like the kernel driver not installed. So if you have this issue, so this is how you can do to fix this with the Mac OS. So I'm going to little bit show you what happened to me. So this is my VirtualBox right here. When I trying to open it, it's just right here. See, if I try to run this, start this Santo server, you see the error message that it gave me: kernel driver not installed, RC -1 1908. So it asked me to make sure the kernel module has been loaded successfully. So this happened when I update my computer. So I am on Mac, so I update my computer, and when updating my computer, I forgot to turn off or stop all the application that was running on my computer. So I forgot to stop the virtual machine, and then when updating my computer, after coming back to restart my virtual machine, and it didn't work. So this is the error message that I received. So I found how to fix this. This is why I would like to share with you. Okay, first of all, for those who the problem is the first time, the easy way to fix this is to go to right here on the logo of Apple, right here on the logo of Apple. For example, if I want to start this one, my Kubernetes, because I wanted to work with the Kubernetes on Vagrant. So when I did Vagrant up to start this Vagrant right here, I have some Vagrant server right here. Yeah, this is those Vagrant that I have, Moto Vagrant that I have right here. I wanted to start it and start to do my work, but this is the error message that it gave me, so I have to fix this. So if you have this error, the thing you have to do, if this is your first time, because me it's not my first time, it's my second time. So if your first time you are on Mac, you have to come here on the Mac logo, go to System Preferences, and then when you are on System Preferences, you go to Security and Privacy. On Security and Privacy, if you have a passcode, they're going to ask you a passcode, so you have to click right here and then give your password. And then he's going to open it, and then you're going to stay here on General. So because me is my second time to have this one, so I cannot fix this right here, because I used to have it the first time and I was able to fix this right here, just down here close to the App Store, and identify developer. Here was another bar, a third bar right here that you just have to click on it, follow it, and then he's gonna fix the issue for you. But for my second time, it disappeared, so I try to find another way to do that. So for those who the problem is the first time, I can show you. For example, let's go and show you the screen shot that I took for the first time to do this. Not this one. Yes, this one right here. This is when you go to the map logo, the Apple logo right here. You go to system preferences and then you go to general. This is the same thing right here. Look at, compare this one and this photo. It's the same thing. So for those who has this issue the first time, right here down to the App Store and identification developer, you're going to have another line right here like this, who is saying that system software from the developer Oracle America was blocked from building. So you just need to click right here to allow. So when you click on allow, it's going to allow it for you. But for me, because the first time I received this message, I already pressed the allow, and that's why it did not appear right here for me. So for you, if you use your first time, you're going to have this third line below the App Store and identify developer. So this is what you're going to have, and where you're going to click allow, and then he's gonna fix it for you, and then you go back and you restart your virtual machine, and he's gonna work for you. But for me, because it's my second time, I don't have this third line, so I have to find another method to fix this. So that I'm also going to share with you. But to share this with you is going to be more difficult because I have to turn off my computer and restart it. So I have to turn on my computer, and then like I go to restart my computer and then press Control R when restarted, and then when I press Control R when it's restarted, it will bring me to the recovery mode like this. For example, let me show you this one. No, not this one. Yes, when you restart your computer and then you press Control plus R, and then he's going to bring you right here on the recovery mode. This is the recovery mode still on your terminal. And then on the recovery mode, you're going to move to the security utility, and below the security utility you're going to press the terminal, and then when you press the terminal, it's going to open a new terminal from you after restarting your computer. And then on the new terminal, you're going to tap this command on your new terminal, sudo shutdown -r, and then after tapping this command, and then you have to go back and be able to restart your virtual machine, and then it's going to work. So I cannot, like, I just take a screenshot of my computer because I'm recording this with my computer. I could not, when I restart my computer, it's gonna shut down the application that I used to record it, and I wasn't able to show you what I'm doing. So that's why I took the screenshot for the step that I did, so that you can see it. And then after doing it, restart my virtual box, and then it's work well. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to restart my computer and press Control or Command. So if you have Command, and if you are using Windows, you can press Control plus R, but in Mac you press Command plus R, and then it's going to bring you to the recovery mode. And the recovery mode, you're going to click on the utility and go to the new terminal, click on the terminal, and then tap this command, and then validate, enter, and then go back to restart your virtual machine. Is going to work. So that's what I'm going to do right now, because I'm not going to be able to show you how I'm fixing it, because I'm going to restart my computer, and then he's going to shut down and everything. So that's what I just want to show you, and thank you so much for watching this video. turn off everything before restarting my computers. Even the virtual machine, I think I have to stop. Stop this. Hello guys, this is a continuous part of the VirtualBox error. So I found out that if the comment that I gave you on the first video didn't work, so I found another way for those who the comment doesn't work. And the second thing you can do is to uninstall your virtual machine and then try to install the new one. So if your virtual machine gives you the error, it's better for you to copy the error and then go to the browser right here, like I did on the browser. You come to the browser, you on the browser right here, and you insert the error message and then try to Google it. And the better site is the stackoverflow.com. So when you go to stackoverflow.com, you're going to have many steps or many resolution of this problem, like I found right here. This is a good site for the IT solution. So you just need to copy the error messages and then come and Stack Overflow, post it over there. And then here I found many way, like 10 or 12 solutions to resolve this issue. So I really appreciate that, and that's what I would like to share to you. So for those, if the comment that I gave you did not work, so it's better to uninstall your virtual machine and then go and download the latest version or the versions around your version that you want, and then install it again. And then when you install, if you still have those problems, and then you come here on the Stack Overflow website, and then you're going to find many solutions to resolve the problem. They give you all the commands that you need to resolve the problem. So after installing it, if you still have the same problem, so you're going to run those commands right here. These are the commands that you have to run on it. So just go here on Stack Overflow. This is a great website, and I really like it for IT professional. You see right here, they explain everything to you very good, and then you have many answers. There's 9 answers for just one problem, so you can choose the one will work for you. If one doesn't work, go to the second one until you find the solution. And this is what here I did, and then it worked great. I'm ready. You see the installation was successful. And then let's now try. I already all right here. I think I have to all right here. Open it. Give my password. Yeah, this is the one I was talking to you. So when it is your first time to have this error, you're going to have this button right here. But on the previous video, I didn't have it because it was my second time to have it on the same application. But because I uninstalled the application and installed the new one, and then it'll appear, the third line appear here. So I just need to allow it because the installation was successful. So when you are holding the same application, if you have the issue on the first time and you allow it, you are not going to have it again if you still have the same application that you didn't uninstall it. But if you uninstall the application and install it again, and then you're going to have this third line here that you just press allow, and then you're going to restart your computer so that the application can work. so I need to restart it. And when restart it, I think I have to stop this video before restart it, because if I don't, it's not going to work for me. I'm not moving this to Bing. Do you want to move the Oracle VirtualBox tiles to Bing? Not yet. Maybe I can move it later. Okay. I have to stop my video first before restarting this. So if I restart here, my video is going to stop too. So just stop this video, and thank you for watching, guys. And if you have some errors, it's better to go to Stack Overflow or find something on YouTube and Stack Overflow. They have many websites that you can solve your IT issue. So thank you, guys, and see you for the next video.